This is hard because I don't know how to do a bull skull. Today we're gonna draw a bull skull with Towns. Say hi, Towns.
Hi.
All right, caps off. Oh, that was terrible. Here, one more time. Caps off. So let's start by drawing its left eye.
Okay.
So I'm just gonna draw a little oval that's like long and sort of tilted a little bit. Good. Okay, and then right straight across on the other side, do another one that's tilting the other direction.
Okay.
That.
Like this?
Yes, exactly. Now, off the top of each one of these, we're going to go like that, like a line coming up. And then another line coming down. But into sort of a V shape, but we're not going to close the V. Okay?
Okay. Like that, kind of?
Kind of like that, yeah. And then do it on the other side too. See how it makes the eyes look like they're popping out a little bit?
Mm-hmm.
Well, you'll be able to see more.
Don't show those to the kindergartners, the popping out eyes thing.
No, too scary for kindergartners. Okay, and
There.
next, let's try to do this nose. I'm gonna make a U, but then it comes down further.
Okay.
It's like an upside down J almost. There, that's good. And then another one right there.
Another one.
And we're gonna make a little tent right in between.
There?
Sure. Make a little tent between the two of them. Like a little, see that? Upside down V.
Okay.
And then right there, we're just gonna sort of make some sort of
Nose.
dark spots. Yeah, like a hole. Okay, while we're here, let's go ahead and color in our big eyes. So we know it's a bull skull. Looks really good.
Thanks.
Okay, and up here, let's just connect these two, but coming up with a little flat U.
Okay.
And then on each side, right here is where the horns are going to come out like this. And you can make your horns however you want. You can make them go straight. You can make them curve. You can make them curve out like a longhorn.
Okay.
I'm going to make these horns go like this. So I'm going to make a
Okay.
curve like that. And then another one, don't make it too skinny.
No.
Start real thick and then get skinnier as you go into a point.
Yeah.
And then the same thing on the other side.
Uh-huh.
Cool.
I'm gonna fix that. Make it a little thicker.
Good idea.
And I'm gonna color in mine.
You're gonna color in your horns?
Yeah.
All right.
I'm gonna try to do my lines before I do anything else.
You're gonna try the lines?
Yeah.
Ooh, cool. Looks like it's got a crack down the middle.
Here, you can look at that if you want. The yellow one.
Those are good cracks. Make some cracks on mine too. I know there's a crack down the middle. And I think there's even some cracks that come up sort of like that.
Yeah.
This is an awesome bowl.
Thanks.
You did a great job.
Let's
ready to
color
color?
it in. Yeah.
All right, let's do it. Well, thanks for coming by and drawing a bull with me, Towns.
You're welcome.
That was a lot of fun.
Yeah.
All right, bye everyone.
Bye, everyone.